Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2024, US 129, Jefferson, Georgia, getting on I-85 south during rush hour. It is 6:52. What is the temperature? It's a little warmer than it was yesterday. It's 65. It was in the 50s yesterday. We'll turn it off till we go down the ramp. We'll be going basically the same route we went yesterday, but it'll be rush hour. We're going to pick up our instrument cluster for the van, come back and put it in, then we're going to go over to Watkinsville and do some stuff. Make it all the way to 20 without much trouble, I guess. I don't know. But then we've got to get off at 20 and get over to Buford Highway. And that may not go that bad, but we're going to get off up here at 53. We're going to take 53. How far are we going to go on 53? To get to Thompson Mill, but there again, trying to get off at go by Chateau Elan. That I showed you that yesterday. Yeah, Thompson Mill or Friendship. I'd actually like to go Friendship. Shorts today. We also got to work on the van. Well, we're going to put that instrument cluster in the van. We'll do a short on that and a long, but we won't upload the long, I don't guess. We'll see. But get that instrument cluster, get back over and get that in the van, get over to Watkinsville, do our stuff over there, and tomorrow we may take off to South Georgia. We'll look at the weather. Next week is the only week I'm going to have. The week after next I've got a CAT set, and then the week after that my eye surgery starts, so we're going to be tied up till the middle of October. And we haven't been on the road in a while. Been a minute and a half. township, or we can go out to where 211 comes into 53 and turn left and go back down. That's way out of the way, but I think it would keep us out of the traffic. Stay on 85. Of course, Atlanta speedometer doesn't open till 9, so we got plenty of time. That being the case, why don't we just take 53 to Oakwood, turn left, and go down Buford Highway? Well, that'd be Peachtree Industrial, but still, we could go down Buford Highway. Go 53 to Buford Highway. I think we'll do that. We're going to turn this one off. We'll get off at 53, then we'll take 53 to Buford Highway down. Okay, we've got our plan. We'll see how it works. Cloudy and overcast today. I haven't checked weather. It may be about to start raining up here and stop raining in South Georgia, so it may work out just right if we head south. Up here, and we're going to turn this one off. It'll be a wrap. We're going to take 53 to Buford Highway, Georgia 13, turn left and go down Buford Highway. I don't know how crowded this McDonald's will be. I really don't want a McDonald's, but and this is a pilot truck stop. Keep going, but let's go ahead and turn this off and start another one.